So what is MVP? Mitral valve prolapse syndrome. Mitral valve prolapse syndrome is more common in females. More common in females. They are usually asymptomatic. Okay. So Myxomatous degeneration of the mitral valve, either one leaflet or both the leaflets. Predominantly in MVP, the posterior mitral leaflet is involved. That's how I remember. MVP, P stands for posterior mitral leaflet. So this Myxomatous degeneration causes the leaflet to prolapse into LA, causing mitral regurgitation. Okay. So if at all they are symptomatic, they may have some chest pain. So this is because of papillary muscle stretching. They can have some palpitations. That is because of volume overload or because of arrhythmias. On auscultation, you find this non-ejection clip. So what is this non-ejection clip? Because it is arising from the mitral leaflet. Okay, so ejection clips arise from this outflows, LV outflows. No? So LV outflow. So the aortic clip is an ejection clip. So but mitral clip is a non-ejection. Clear, no? Non-ejection. Non-ejection clip is because of what? Sudden stretching of the cardiac. So whenever this sudden stretching of cardiac occurs, you hear this clip, which is then followed by a mid to late systolic murmur. Okay. See, what is the murmur in MVP? So it's a high-pitched murmur. The classical description is called woofing murmur. So once you hear, you will never forget. Okay, it's a high-pitched woofing murmur. High-pitched woofing murmur. It starts in mid-systole and ends in late systole. So mid to late systole is the murmur. When AML prolapses, the murmur radiates to the axilla. When PML prolapses, the murmur radiates to the base of the heart. Clear? Murmur radiates to the base of the heart. So clinical findings, again, you start with pulse. Pulse is usually a normal volume pulse. Sometimes it can be high volume. BP is usually low. Borderline BP. JVP is normal. Unless the right heart is involved, JVP is normal. Okay, apical impulse. So what happens to the apical impulse? What you get is called hyperdynamic apical impulse. So more than one space is involved. It is very hyperdynamic. It is not sustained. Okay, so this is hyperdynamic apical impulse. Heart sounds: S1, S2, S1 is usually soft. Okay, S1 is usually soft. This is because of loss of coaptation. The dP by dt is very less. Loss of coaptation. So there is loss of isovolumetric contraction. The S1 is usually soft. S2 is normal. Okay. Sometimes it is split widely, meaning because most of the blood enters into LA, so from LV into the aorta, the blood is very less, meaning A2 comes very early. A2 comes very early. So that's why the S2 split is wide. So S3 is seen in severe MR. In fact, you find S3, it means just severe MR, clinical severe MR. Okay, guys.